Are you looking for the best Chinese drones for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. V919 MAX GPS Drone. Experience a new level of creativity and exploration with the V919 MAX GPS Drone, designed to transform every flight into a journey of discovery. From the first lift into the sky, it captures the beauty of landscapes, city skylines, and precious moments in vivid detail, turning ordinary experiences into memories that feel alive. Flying above familiar surroundings provides a fresh perspective, awakening curiosity and inspiring imagination with every scene. Smooth aerial performance ensures footage flows naturally, giving every recording a professional and cinematic quality. Real-time 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity keeps images and videos crisp and reliable, allowing complete control even at a distance. The intuitive screen interface brings confidence and clarity to navigation, making complex maneuvers simple and enjoyable. High-definition triple camera technology delivers vibrant colors, sharp detail, and true-to-life tones, ensuring every image captures emotion and energy. Whether exploring nature, documenting adventures, or creating content for social sharing, each capture evokes excitement and leaves a lasting impression. Advanced 360-degree obstacle awareness enhances safety, allowing focus on creativity without worry. Lightweight and portable design allows effortless travel, transforming ordinary outings into opportunities for stunning aerial perspectives. Brushless motors and precise GPS positioning provide stability, keeping footage steady in dynamic environments. This drone becomes more than a device, it becomes a companion for exploration and artistic expression. Every flight invites discovery, every recording tells a story, and every moment shared inspires awe. It empowers users to create cinematic visuals that connect deeply, turning imagination into unforgettable experiences. Number 2. V168 MAX Drone. Unleash the power of adventure and creativity with the V168 MAX Drone, a companion that turns every flight into an unforgettable experience. Gliding above landscapes and urban scenes, it captures moments from perspectives that feel impossible to reach, transforming ordinary days into memories that stir the imagination. Each ascent sparks excitement, inviting users to see the world in a new light, where every corner and horizon holds a story waiting to be told. The combination of precise GPS navigation and brushless motor technology ensures stable and fluid motion, making every maneuver feel effortless. Real-time aerial feedback through the integrated screen creates confidence in controlling the drone, allowing users to focus on capturing the perfect shot without distraction. Smooth flight and responsive handling encourage exploration, helping users engage fully with their surroundings and embrace creativity. High-definition imaging and advanced aerial photography capabilities preserve the richness of colors, textures, and details in every frame, making each image feel alive and emotionally charged. 360-degree obstacle awareness adds a layer of safety, providing freedom to explore even challenging environments while keeping the experience stress-free. Lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry, turning weekend adventures, vacations, and spontaneous journeys into opportunities for cinematic storytelling. Every flight becomes a canvas, every photograph a work of art, and every video a glimpse into the extraordinary. The V168 MAX Drone is more than a tool, it is an invitation to discover, imagine, and capture the world from breathtaking heights. Number 3. K919 GPS Drone. Experience the thrill of flight and the joy of creativity with the K919 GPS Drone, a gateway to capturing breathtaking moments from above. Every ascent offers a new perspective, transforming everyday scenery into cinematic masterpieces that stir emotion and wonder. Flying becomes a journey of discovery, where skies are limitless and each maneuver feels effortless, inspiring users to explore with confidence and curiosity. The intuitive touchscreen interface and advanced navigation provide seamless control, allowing users to focus on storytelling instead of technical complexities. Smooth and stable motion ensures that every image and video remains clear, vibrant, and full of life, capturing the beauty of landscapes and cityscapes alike. The dual camera system opens possibilities for creative angles, while professional-grade aerial capabilities make every frame feel dynamic and alive. Lightweight and compact, the drone is designed for portability, making it easy to carry on adventures, vacations, or spontaneous trips. Its responsive control inspires confidence, allowing even first-time users to feel the excitement of effortless flight while exploring new perspectives. Each journey becomes an opportunity to create, document, and relive unforgettable moments. Advanced aerial precision combined with high-definition visuals transforms every flight into a canvas, turning the ordinary into extraordinary. Whether capturing sweeping panoramas or intimate close-ups, the drone empowers creativity and imagination. The K919 GPS drone is not just a device, it is an invitation to elevate experiences, embrace exploration, and share the magic of the world from exhilarating heights.